Now this question seems to be easy. Let's see. So this can be written as integral. We can separate this upon this and this upon this. So minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 x upon 2 minus 2x plus minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. So pi by 4 upon 2 minus cos of 2x. Now look at this first part. Now this first part is what? This is odd function. Why odd function? Because here in this part, in this denominator, we have is what? Cos of minus theta is equals to what? Cos theta. Okay. But over here, if I substitute minus over here, this will be minus. Therefore, this is what? This is what? This is odd function. Okay. All these become odd function, and therefore the value of this integral become what? 0. Okay. So now we have only this much. So what I can do is I can change limit from here. The limit is minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. So this can be written as, I can write twice 0 to pi by 4. Here I can send pi by 4 also outside, is 1 upon 2 minus cos of 2x dx. Instead of cos 2x, we can substitute tan formula. So with this we can cancel 2. So here we have pi by 2. So limit from 0 to pi by 4. So 1 upon here 2 minus cos twice x is what? 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x, and dx is over here. So I will write dx over here. Now here we have pi by 2, limits from 0 to pi by 4. Now let's take LCM over here. Okay, so if I take LCM here, I have to multiply by 2. Therefore 2 plus 2 tan square x minus 1 plus tan square x. So I am sending minus inside. Okay, here minus 1 and minus plus, and this 1 plus tan square will bring what? Will go up over here. Okay, so 1 plus tan square x dx. Okay, is equals to, we have pi by 2 integral 0 to pi by 4. So 1 plus tan square is what? Sec square x upon. So here what we have? Here 2 minus 1 is what? 1. Here we have 3. Okay, so plus 3 tan square x dx. Now here let's substitute t equals to 10x. So let's substitute t equals to what? 10 x. Therefore dt equals to what? Sec square x dx. Okay. What about limits? Okay. When x tends to 0, then 0 is what? 0. When x tends to pi by 4, then t tends to 1. This equals to what? Integral pi by 2. Now limits become what? 0 to pi by 4 becomes 0 to 1. Sec square x dx is what? This become dt upon 1 plus 3 t square. Here I am taking 3 common here, 1 by 3 plus t square dt. Okay. So these 3 I am taking outside over here. Okay. So therefore 3 into 2 is what? 6. So I can write 6 over here. So this I can write his 1 by 3 is same as 1 by root 3 the whole square into t square. Okay. It is already from a square plus x square. So this is what? Pi by 6. We have formula. So we have formula. What is formula? Integral 1 upon a square plus x square dx is what? 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Okay. So here what is 1 by a? So 1 upon 1 by root 3 tan inverse t upon 1 by root 3. Therefore, so it's pi by root 3 upside, root 3 pi by 6 tan inverse root 3 t, and limit is from what? Limit is from 0 to 1. You substitute this limit, you will get the answer. Okay.